Hello, I'm Nicola. Today I'm going to show you how to draw motion or movement on your characters. As you can see, I've done some stickmen. The idea came from I went to a school to do my first author visit. I was a bit nervous, but I did a cartoon workshop, a draw along, and one of the kids actually asked me, how do you draw movement on your pictures? So I am going to do a series now of drawing movement on your cartoons. So as you can see, mine are really simple. They're not perfect. I just did a quick sketch of stickmen there. So first of all, we've got walking. This character is walking. So as you can see, his feet are touching the floor. That one's got the heel touching the floor. That one's got the toe. So they're touching. This is the ground here. So it's very, very, very slight movement. So I'm not going to do much on this picture here. So I'm just going to do some hair first, and the hair's going to flop forward just like that. That's the hair on the character. Okay, so now all I'm going to do, this foot's moving upwards, it's going to be moving upwards, so I'm going to do that. And then the hands have got a slight movement, so this is just little tiny flicks create the movement on your character. Now it looks a little bit like it's moving now, that one, but not much. So this character is a little bit more jogging, more faster movements, not quite as much as the running, or he looks more like he's sprinting than that one actually. So first of all, the hair, I'm going to draw the hair going backwards now a little bit like that. So when you move, so if I had a tie on this, the tie would be flat, maybe starting to go backwards. So the hair is going to go backwards. That's just flopping forward on that one, that hair. So this one's going to have a little bit more dramatic movement. So to make it more dramatic, we do 2 flicks on that hand. The elbow will be moving this time. You think your elbow's going backwards, so this elbow is going to have 2 flicks. That one's stationary, so that probably won't have, whereas this one's moving, so another 2 flicks on there, and that character is looking more like he's moving. So as you can see, this foot's off the ground, and that one is touching, his toes touching the ground there, whereas this character now is really speedy, and I'm going to add extra on this one to make him look like he's running fast, whereas that one just jogging along. So as we started with the hair on that one, now this one's hair is going to go flapping behind like that. It shows now, you can see how the movement is changing. It's making him look faster than the other 2 characters. So we need 2 little, on the areas that are moving, we're going to have the elbow. Your arm's going to be moving as you're jogging along. So we've got 2 flicks on there. This foot's coming up off the floor. So we'll have 2 flicks on that one. 2 flicks on the hand, maybe 1 on that knee because it's stopping, and then yeah, give that 2 flicks as well. So there we go. You can see now it looks like it's moving, but I want it to look like it's moving faster. So this is what we do on cartoons. Easy, and just do it fast marks like that. Maybe one there, and longer one, shorter one there. Now you can see now that it's moving a little bit faster. And this may have some flicks on too. There you go. Now your character's moving. Shall I draw some eyes on? He's smiling, having a nice stroll along there. This one is running, so he's a bit more tired on that one. And then this one, he's running so fast, looks like he's running away from someone. So I'm going to put his eyes like that. There we go. That is how you draw movement. What you can do as well, if you're drawing it absolutely speeding, you could have the cloud effect. So 1, 2, 3, and then a bigger one, and that shows he's going really fast. So there we go. There is our first workshop on movement, walking, jogging, running. So practice drawing stickmen. Mine aren't very good actually, and they're not easy. They're not that easy because drawing motion is hard. drawing movement on bodies is not easy, really difficult. People say a horse is not one of the hardest animals to draw, and that's true because the legs are moving. So have a go, keep drawing stickmen. It's not cheating, it's a way of getting used to drawing your body parts moving. And so this one, I've got my arm too long on there, because you put your arms by your side, they go past your hips, just below your hips. As you can see, mine's a little bit too long on that one. So I make mistakes. So yeah, practice. And once you've got used to drawing your stickman, then you can draw your stickman in pencil, and then you can add clothes on, make it different types of clothes on, rub your stickmen out. So your stickmen are just a guide for you to draw. And even cartoonists who have drawn for years, some of them use that guideline underneath. It's not cheating, it's to make it easier for you to draw. So that's a good tip. So just keep practicing different movements. We're going to go and do jumping and all sorts. That one looks like he's jumping, doesn't he, a little bit. We're going to do loads of different workshops for this one. So I will say goodbye for now. Subscribe to the channel, then you'll get notifications when I do new ones. And thank you very much for watching, and hope to see you next time. Goodbye.